Hey guys, okay, so we're going to try to redo this starting on example 7. And I'm not going to go over example 9 in today's notes. I think there's a typo on it. So starting with example 7. Good job. Oops, okay. Example 7, we're going to multiply by an LCM of r minus 4 times r plus 5. So r plus 5 times r minus 4 times each of the terms. R minus 4 times r plus 5. So this cancels. I now have 2r times r plus 5. Minus the 2 is multiplied by r plus 5 and r minus 4. And the r plus 5 cancels here, so I have equals 4 times r minus 4. I'm going to distribute 2r squared plus 10r minus 2 times, I'm going to FOIL this, r squared, it'll be plus r minus 20 equal to 4r minus 16. I'm now going to continue with simplifying. 10r, I have minus 2r squared minus 2r plus 40 equal to 4r minus 16. The 2r squareds cancel. The 10r and the negative 2r give me 8r plus 40 equal to 4r minus 16. I'm going to subtract 4r and subtract 40 on both sides. I get 4r equals negative 56. So r equals negative 14. Okay, and I just double check that that value doesn't give me 0 in any of my denominators. So therefore I accept it. I don't reject it. Okay, example 8 is an example where you're going to have to look at the denominators and recognize, and we'll do more of these in class today, that one of them needs to be factored. So this denominator factors into t plus 5 times t minus 5. If you can factor a denominator, you have to do that first before you could figure out the LCM. So the LCM here is just the product of t plus 5 times t minus 5. It's just like what you would find for a common denominator if you were adding, but now you're multiplying by that least common multiple to clear the fractions. So we're going to multiply everything by t plus 5 times t minus 5 times t plus 5 times t minus 5, and again times t plus 5 times t minus 5. So in the first term, the t plus 5's cancel, and I have 4 times t minus 5. In the second term, 1 times t plus 5 times t minus 5, and equals, and here the both will cancel, so it just equals 15. So I'm going to distribute. I have 4t minus 20 plus, and I'm going to FOIL, t squared minus 25 equals 15. This is a quadratic. I'm going to set equal to 0 and reorganize in standard form. So I have t squared plus 4t, and then minus 20 minus 25, and I'm going to subtract the 15, are going to give me negative 60. So I'm going to have two binomials, 6 times 10. 6 times 10, I need a positive on the 10 and a negative on the 6. So I'll have t equal to 6 and t equal to negative 10. Neither of these gets rejected because neither of these would produce 0 in the denominator, so I accept both of them. Okay, and we'll do more examples like this today in class. Thanks.